Very good morning dear students, solid state. In this video, we are going to discuss about easy way to calculate number of atoms present in an element. Easy way to calculate number of atoms present in an element using the density value and also using edge length. An element has a face-centered cubic unit cell with an edge of 352.4 picometer along an edge. From face-centered cubic, from this FCC, we can write the total number of atoms n value equal to 4. And this is your edge length. 352.4 picometer, we have to convert picometer into centimeter. 1 picometer equal to 10 power minus 10 centimeter along an edge. The density rho of the element is 8.9 gram centimeter power minus 3. The question is, how many atoms are present in 100 gram of an element? How many atoms are present in 100 gram of an element? So using this, first we have to calculate molar mass. By calculating molar mass, number of moles have to calculate. From the number of moles, we can calculate the number of atoms present in 100 gram of an element. Now first I am going to write all the given values in the problem. The given values are it is FCC, therefore total number of atoms is equal to 4. The density value is also given, rho equal to 8.9 gram centimeter power minus 3. This is our density value. Edge length also given in picometer. Edge length value. A, that is equal to 352.4 picometer. 1 picometer equal to 10 power minus 12 meter, or 1 picometer equal to 10 power minus 10 centimeter. To write this in scientific method, this is equal to 3.524 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. This is our edge length. Mass of the element also given, that is equal to 100 gram. We know the formula used to calculate the edge length is rho value, density value, not edge length. Rho value, density equal to small n into capital M divided by A cube into Avogadro number. N we know, rho, A and Avogadro number 1, 2, 3, 4 values are known value. First we have to calculate the molar mass. Using that we can calculate number of atoms. Molar mass M is equal to, bring all these quantity to the left hand side, rho into A cube into Na by small n. Small n value we know. Now I substitute all these value in this formula. How I am substituting? Listen. The density value given is 8.9 into A cube 3.524 into 10 power minus 8 the whole cube into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23 whole divided by n value for FCC equal to 4. Now that is equal to 8.9 end 3.524 power cube end 8 into 3s are 24, 10 power minus 24 end Avogadro number is simply written as 6 into 10 power 23 divided by 4. So we can cancel this quantity, but have to find out this quantity 3.524 cube. In the previous problem I have solved. In the same method I am going to solve this a cube value. So now we are going to see the value of 3.524. Now I write 3.524 3.524. How to multiple? That we know. Now 3 into 3s are 9, 0, 9. 3 into 5s are 15, 1, 5. 3 into 2s are 6, 0, 6. 3 into 4s are 12, 1, 2. 5 into 3s are 15, 1, 5. 5 into 5s are 25. 5 into 2s are 10. 5 into 4s are 20. 2 into 3s are 6. 2 into 5s are 10. 2 into 2s are 4. 2 into 4s are 8. And here 4 into 3s are 12. 4 into 5s are 20. 4 into 2s are 8. And 4 into 4s are 16. Starting from this row, now I am going to write the answer of the square value. 6 here, 1, 6. 8 into 8 plus 8 equal to 16 plus 1 equal to 17, remaining 1. So 5 is over. Then here 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8, this part is also over. 7 plus 1 equal to 8, 13, 14, 20, 21, remaining 2. 7, 9, then 14, remaining 1. So here 10, 11, 12. How many digit? Here 3 digit point, here 3 digit, totally 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12.41. But we have to find out the cubic value. Write this value here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 8, 5, 7, 6. 1, 2, 4, 1, 8, 5, 7, 6. So left hand side as usual 3, 5, 2, 4. Now we are going to see the cube value. 3 into 1 equal to 3, 0, 3. 3 into 2s are 6, 0, 6. 3 into 4s are 12, 1, 2. 3 into 3 equal to 3, 0, 3. 3 into 8s are 24, 24. 3 into 5 equal to 1, 5. 3 into 7s are 21. 3 into 6 are 18. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2s are 10. 5 into 4s are 20. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 8s are 40. 5 into 5s are 25. 5 into 7s are 35. 5 into 6 are 30. Then 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 2 6 are 12. 4. 4 into 1 equal to 4. 4 into 2s are 8. 4 into 4s are 16. 4 into 1 equal to 4. 4 into 8s are 32. 4 into 5s are 20. Again 4 into 7s are 28. 4 into 6 are 24. Now we have to add all these numbers. Here first part 4 is over. 8, 10, 12, remaining 1. So 1, 3, 7, plus 1 equal to 8. This part over. Now come to this one. 2, 4, 5, 10, 13, 21. Remaining 2. This part over. Remaining 2. 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 9, 15, 20, 21, 24, 24, 25, 26, 26. Remaining 2. 8, 10, 11, 13, 18, 20, 20, remaining 2. So here 8, 9, 17, 22, 26, 30, 31, 31, remaining 2. So 2, 8, 9, 2 plus 8 equal to 10, 11, 19, 14, 18, 22 plus 1 equal to 23. Remaining 2 we have. Here 6, 10, 15. 6, 10. 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 10, 13 plus 2 equal to 15. Here 15. So here 33 remaining 3, 7, 7 plus 4 equal to 11 plus 3 equal to 14 plus 2 equal to 16, remaining 1. Here 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 2 equal to 7, 7, 5 plus 1 equal to 6, 12, 13, remaining 1, 1 plus 3 equal to 4. How many digit? Here 6 digit, here 3 digit point, 9 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 43.7. 43.7. 7, 6. You can take 43.76 for 3.524 cube. So equal to 8.9 our density value. The cubic value will give 43.76. Avogadro number 6 into 10 power minus 24, 10 power 23 gives 10 power minus 1 divided by total number of atom in FCC 4. 1, 4 is 4. Now 1, 4 is 4, 3, 0.37, 9 4s are 36, remaining 1, 16, 4. We have to multiply these two quantity. First multiply with 10, 9, 4 with 6. 6 4s are 24, remaining 2. 154 plus 2 equal to 56, 1 6. So 2 digit we have to put. Again it is multiplied by 8.9. First multiply these two value. 9 and 3 are 9 and 4s are 36, remaining 3. 9 and 6 are 54 plus 3 equal to 57, remaining 5. 45, 50, remaining 5. 54, 59. 8 and 4s are 32, remaining 3. Then 48, 51, remaining 5. 40, 45, remaining 4. 48, 52. When we add 6, 9, 1, 14, remaining 1, 8 and 5. So what is the answer? 58. How many digit? 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3 digit. 1, 2, 3 digit we have. Here first here 2 digit, here 1 digit, 3 digit. 1, 2, 3 digit. 58.4, 58.4.196. That is equal to 5584.196 and we have 10 power minus 1, that is equal to 58.4, approximately it is taken as 2. This is our molar mass in gram mole power minus 1, but we have to calculate how many atoms are present in 100 gram. Number of moles formula we know. Number of moles equal to mass by molar mass, mass by molar mass. The mass of the element is given is 100 divided by molar mass we have calculated 58.42, 58.42. That we are going to solve now. So by easy solving, we can convert the denominator quantity into the whole number. That is equal to 100 by 58. 0.4 is taken as the whole number. 100. How to solve it? 58. 158 is 58. Then 10 minus 8 equal to 2. 9, 4, 42. When you put here 0, 0.7 8s are 56, remaining 5, 35 plus 5 equal to 40, 406. When you subtract, you will get here 4, 1, 1, 4. Again put 0 and 2 8s are 16, remaining 1, 10 plus 1 equal to 11. When you subtract and goes on, 10 minus 6 equal to 4, 3, 2, 24. So we can take this 2 digit, that is equal to 1.72. We are calculating number of moles, therefore moles here. How to calculate number of atoms in this? 1 mole of an element contains Avogadro number of atoms 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. Therefore, 1.71 moles of an element contains. How to calculate? Cross multiply these two values divided by the given value. That gives equal to cross multiplication 1.71 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 divided by given value 1.72. This is 1.72. Correct? We can also simply multiply these two values by taking 6 as the constant value, that is equal to 1.72 into 6 into 10 power 23 equal to 6 into 2 are 12, remaining 1, 6 into 7 are 42 plus 1 equal to 43, remaining 4, 6 into 1 equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 10.32 into 10 power 23 number of atoms present in 100 gram of an element. So, result 100 gram of an element contains 10.32 into 10 power 23 number of atoms. So, this is easy method to calculate how many number of atoms present in the given gram of element, and in the next video also we are going to discuss the problems in solid state. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share and like. Thank you very much.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Okay, thank you.